Welcome to Sadbhavna News and I am Poonam Sharma. Apple announced on Wednesday that its customers will be allowed to repair their devices themselves, and genuine Apple parts, tools and manuals needed for repair will be supplied by the company to individual consumers. Consumers comfortable with repairing their own devices will soon get access to tools, parts and manuals for iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 series devices, and the list will eventually include Mac computers. Apple's self-service repair will first be available in the US starting January and then expand to other countries over 2022. Information regarding if and when the service will be available in India is not available currently. Apple already has more than 5,000 authorized service providers and 2,800 independent repair providers. The self-repair option comes as a great advantage to customers since the company authorized repairs are often quite expensive and sometimes unnecessary unless the damage is significant. Apple service centers are also known to not entertain service or repair requests if the device have been opened or accessed by others. Also, if the device has been opened up by any non-authorized personnel or service center, it loses the warranty coverage. The idea behind such a strict set of rules for repair is understandable to an extent, as repair support might be offered by those who do not have access to original Apple components, and swapping them with replacement parts can cause irreparable damages. The initial phase of the program will focus on the most commonly serviced modules such as the iPhone display, battery and camera. The ability for additional repairs will be available later next year, the company said. Creating greater access to Apple genuine parts gives our customers even more choice if a repair is needed, said Jeff Williams, Apple's Chief Operating Officer. Apple will set up a new store that will offer more than 200 individual parts and tools for repairs. Most of these, for now, will be the ones needed for common repairs on the iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 devices. Customers can place an order for parts and tools on this store. Those customers who return the used parts for recycling will get credits towards their purchase. As encouraging as all of this sounds, Apple added in the announcement that the self-service repair feature is meant for individual technicians who have the knowledge and experience of repairing electronic devices. For others, going to an authorized repair provider is still the safest and most reliable way to get a repair. For arthroscopy and sports injuries.